Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on Dash Car Cam of this year. Please watch the full video, subscribe the channel and do like. And Product 1, product name Redtiger Dashcam. The Redtiger Dashcam offers comprehensive coverage for your vehicle's safety and security needs. With its advanced features and high-quality specifications, it stands out as a reliable option in the realm of dash cameras. At the forefront, the Redtiger Dashcam boasts impressive resolution capabilities, capturing both front and rear views in stunning 4K 2.5K Full HD quality. This ensures that every detail on the road is recorded with clarity, providing valuable footage in case of accidents or incidents. Equipped with a 3.16-inch screen, navigating through settings and reviewing footage is intuitive and convenient. The wide-angle lens, spanning 170 degrees, offers expansive coverage, minimizing blind spots and enhancing overall visibility. In addition to its superior recording capabilities, this dashcam comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality. The Wi-Fi feature allows for seamless connectivity, enabling users to transfer footage to their smartphones or tablets for easy viewing, and night vision capabilities ensure clear footage even in low-light conditions, crucial for capturing events during nighttime driving. The inclusion of wide dynamic range (WDR) technology further enhances image clarity by balancing exposure levels in high-contrast lighting scenarios. Moreover, the Redtiger Dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode, providing continuous surveillance of your vehicle even when parked. This feature detects any motion or impact, automatically triggering recording to capture potential incidents, vandalism, or theft attempts. To further complement its functionality, the Dashcam comes with a free 32 GB memory card, eliminating the need for immediate additional purchases and allowing users to start recording right out of the box. Overall, the Redtiger Dashcam stands as a reliable and feature-rich option for individuals seeking to enhance their vehicle's safety and security with high-definition recording. Product 2, product name Garmin Dashcam Live. The Garmin Dashcam Live is an innovative addition to the world of dashboard cameras, designed to provide continuous live viewing of the road ahead. Unlike traditional dash cams that primarily record footage for later viewing, the Garmin Dashcam Live offers real-time streaming capabilities, allowing drivers to monitor their surroundings directly from their vehicle's dashboard. One of the standout features of the Garmin Dashcam Live is its 24/7 live view functionality, which ensures that drivers have access to a constant feed of their driving environment. This feature is particularly useful for situations where immediate monitoring of the road is necessary, such as during long journeys, ride-sharing, or in the event of an accident or incident. The dashcam is always connected, leveraging the vehicle's cellular network or Wi-Fi connectivity to transmit live footage to the driver's smartphone or other compatible devices. This continuous connection ensures that users can access the live stream whenever needed, providing an added layer of security and peace of mind while on the road. Live viewing capabilities. The Garmin Dashcam Live retains the essential features found in traditional dash cams, including high-definition video recording, GPS tracking, and collision detection. This comprehensive suite of functions not only allows users to capture important moments on the road, but also provides valuable data for analysis. Product 3, product name Sufkin Dashcam. The Sufkin Dashcam is a comprehensive solution for capturing footage both inside and outside your vehicle. As a 3-channel dashcam, it offers 1080p resolution for clear video quality. This triple dashcam setup provides coverage for the front, inside, and surroundings of your vehicle, ensuring a comprehensive recording of your journeys. Equipped with a 32 GB memory card, the Sufkin Dashcam allows for ample storage of footage. Additionally, features like HDR, high dynamic range G-sensor, 24-hour parking mode, and loop recording enhance its functionality and ensure reliable performance in various driving scenarios. The HDR feature ensures balanced exposure and vivid colors in different lighting conditions, while the G-sensor detects sudden movements or impacts, triggering the camera to automatically save footage for potential insurance claims or evidence. The 24-hour parking mode enables continuous monitoring of your vehicle even when parked, offering protection against theft or vandalism from getting full and ensuring uninterrupted recording. Overall, the Sufkin Dashcam offers a comprehensive set of features to enhance safety, security. Product 4, product name Yeager Car Camera Mini Dashcam. The Yeager Car Camera Mini Dashcam is a compact yet feature-rich device designed to enhance the safety and security of your vehicle. With its advanced specifications, this dashcam offers high-quality video recording capabilities, making it an essential accessory for any car owner concerned with capturing incidents on the road. One notable feature of the car camera is its 2.5K resolution, providing crisp and clear footage at 1440p resolution for the front-facing camera. This ensures that details such as license plate numbers and road signs are captured with impressive clarity, aiding in any potential legal or insurance-related matters. Additionally, the dashcam is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to easily access and download footage directly to their smartphones via the accompanying app. This feature enhances convenience by eliminating the need for physical transfer of data, making it easier to review and share footage when needed. Night vision capabilities further enhance. Inclusion of a 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security to your vehicle, as the dashcam can automatically begin recording upon detecting any motion or impact while the car is parked. This feature is invaluable for monitoring your vehicle's surroundings and providing evidence in the event of vandalism, theft, or
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.